Yeah, we are back, and this is a must watch for every nurses preparing to write OSCE. In this video, we are going to be covering every piece of equipment you are likely to see during your OSCE. Right, without further ado, let's dive in. Knowing your equipment beforehand and getting yourself familiarized with them is essential because you have limited time for each station during your examination. Too short to the point that to start getting yourself familiarized at that scene will not catch it. You must recognize and use each equipment correctly. The brand may differ, but the use of any equipment during OSCE stayed the same. It's worth mentioning that you should familiarize yourself with this equipment, the purpose and the setup for each of them. Yeah, on the exam day, you will be shown some of this equipment and you will be allowed to use even to set up before the exam begins. Don't just memorize it, know how to use it. First, let's look at infection control essentials. This includes apron. This is usually in white color for your OSCE, right? Next is gloves. The glove you will be using during your OSCE is going to be majorly the non-sterile glove, except for ANTT where you will use sterile glove. Next, we have hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer could be in different brand. However, the function still stays the same. Next, we have clinical and domestic waste bin having yellow and blue lid respectively. Finally, under infection control essential is Cleanair wipe, also known as disinfectant wipes. Next is patient ID and allergy essential. We have red and white wristband. A patient on red wristband is having allergy and the one on white wristband have no known allergy. The top tip here is it is so essential that you cross-check with your paperwork to ascertain this. Next is assessment tools. First, we have sphygmomanometer, that is the BP apparatus. In your exam, it's going to be a dynamap. Yeah. The next one is we have pulse oximeter to check the patient's oxygen saturation level. It is usually attached to the dynamap. Next, we have thermometer. It is now infrared that is used since the era of COVID. Next, we have glucometer plus the strips. We also have pen touch. It's an instrument that is used to check patient pupillary reaction to light. Yeah, we have paper tape. Also, we have single individual reusable peak flow meter. Moving on, we have medication administration. The equipment you are going to be using includes medicine pots, that is, each medicine pot for any medication you are going to dispense. Do not make mistake of dispensing all medications into the same pot. It could be a fail. Yeah. The next one is medicine spoon. You may want to use, however, it is safer and easier when transferring the medications from the medicine bottle to the lid and straight to the pot. It's easier that way. However, you will not still be penalized if you choose to use spoon. Next is the drug trolley. It is basically organized in A to Z manner. So the medications will be arranged in alphabetical order. Next is electronic BNF. Yeah, you have access to this during your OSCE. So you need not to cram anything as such. However, it's worth mentioning that checking BNF during your OSCE can take your time and you know you've got limited time during the exam. So think twice if you must use BNF. Right. Next is insulin pen. Yeah, the updated version of insulin administration. The pen will be readily available, already pre-filled with insulin. Yeah. Next, you have pre-injection swabs. Yeah, that is chlorhexidine 70% alcohol-based wipe. Yeah, it will be readily available for you during your exam. Finally, under medication administration essential is the lancet. That is an equipment that is used during blood glucose monitoring. Moving on, the next thing we're going to be talking about is nursing and clinical skills essentials. The first on the list is bed with pillow, sheets and blanket. Next, we have urine drainage bag plus catheter. Also, we have emetic basin. Next, kidney dish. We have also the dressing packs. Next, we have oxygen mask. It used to be only reservoir mask, but now the story has changed. You can get any type of mask. Also, we have NG tube and pH strip. We have syringes, sharps bin, also the specimen container. Yeah, these are basically the equipment you're going to be using during your OSCE. None of it is outrightly strange to us. In one way or the other, we would have used it even while practicing in our home countries. Yeah, there may be some left out, but if there will be, it will just be quite a few of it. Yeah, here are some top tips for you to succeed. Do not move your mannequin unduly during your exam unless your scenario states so. Secondly, use your marking criteria to guide you through every step. If in doubt of any medication during your implementation station, use your BNF or seek clarification. Lastly, on that note, don't get tired of watching OSCE videos. And if you think, oh, I'm not doing enough, you can sign up for classes. It doesn't harm. Yeah. I would like to leave you with this. OSCE is not a mountain. It is a well-mapped journey. With the right tools, right mindset, and with videos like this, I believe in you as much as you believe in yourself. That you are not going to pass only, but you are passing excellently well. Until I come your way in my subsequent videos, keep practicing OSCE. Bye!